solo. I'm going to do some landings and mess around with my GoPro camera on the wing and see if I get that to work today. So that is the plan. A little bumpier than I thought. Kicked around here pretty good. Horrible. Really getting kicked by that wind. Try it again. Justice to the amount of turbulence that you're in, but we'll see. Hopefully we'll pull off a good one this time. 60 knots over the numbers. Lead off some energy. That was much better. Riding that wheelie, riding that wheelie. We'll never even let the nose touch. Let's do that. Third time's a charm. That last one was better. Still getting a little bumped around, not too bad. Hopefully, as it gets later and later, it'll get to be a better ride. I can feel a sink right here. I'm adding a lot of power to stay on the glide path. Every time I'd final here, it's just the bottom drops out. Yeah, holy cow, adding a lot of power. Alright everybody, my fourth landing here. I'll give you the view of what it looks like looking backwards towards me as I'm working it. Good news, this iPhone movie stuff's about over with. I just ordered a GoPro Hero 8 Plus Black something or other. So video quality is about to improve dramatically. My other GoPro kind of died. I have it out on the wing right now. I think it's working though. Landings, traffic. Cessna 154 is turning final 13, full stop, landings. Just me and a little champ out here in the pattern together. Alright. I don't know what this is going to do. You'll get the outside view from the GoPro camera, and then this will be the view looking at me. And if I look really happy at the end, that means it was a good one. over the place. Right above the ground, holding it off, holding it off.
Chances on final 413. Touch or go.
Landings traffic, Cessna 154s, we're clearing 1-3 landings. The guy right behind us. Take a peek and see how he does. Really is a lot windier than I thought it would be. The windsock's not going crazy, but with the thermals and the wind, it was a little challenging. Oh, he's in the grass, getting knocked all over the place.